We are following breaking news as former Chicopee Superintendent Lynn Clark faced a federal judge for her arraignment this afternoon. Welcome, everyone, to Western Mass News at 5. I'm Chris Pisano.
And I'm Jordan Jagelin. Clark is currently facing charges in connection to an FBI investigation where she's accused of lying to the FBI about sending threatening text messages. Western Mass News reporter Briseida Landaverde was in the courtroom and joins us live with the very latest. Briseida.
Yeah, well, Chris and Jordan, Lynn Clark entered a not guilty plea today. Meanwhile, federal prosecutors provided her attorney with a disc of evidence pertaining to her case. Now, last week, she was indicted by a federal grand jury on 2 counts of making false claims to the FBI, this leading her to lose her title as Chicopee Public Schools superintendent the next day. Clark is accused of lying to the FBI about sending threatening text messages to a Chicopee police chief candidate in November of 2021. Now, she first told investigators that she herself received threatening texts from unknown numbers, but federal authorities say Clark later admitted she had sent the messages herself. Her lawyer, Jared Olenoff, holding a news briefing just moments after her arraignment, he once again is reaffirming his client's innocence.
It's also important to note that Ms. Clark denies these allegations, as she has from the beginning. We still have not seen what's called the discovery, which is the evidence the government thinks it has. We were provided with some of that just now, so we have yet to take a look at it.
Western Mass News asked Olenoff what he expects could be on the disc of evidence.
I imagine that there's going to be text message communications, police reports, things like that. But I won't know until I put it in and see what's on there.
Clark is facing up to 5 years in prison for each false statement, up to 1 year of supervised release, and a fine of up to $10,000 if convicted. Now, a status conference was scheduled for July 6, and coming up at 6, we will have more on the federal investigation. For now, live in Springfield, Briseida Landaverde, Western Mass News.